Yo, these haters I'm gonna abolish while this bottle I polish. These rhymes I demolish. You're just gonna have to live in solace while I sit back and laugh. I'm steady packing roasters in my holster, and I keep my composure like a damn soldier. These haters are softer than a boaster. My rhymes are kosher, and I'm higher than the solar. I'm colder than a polar. My mind is twisted, and I walk around tight-fisted, ready to throw blows under a hater's nose. I don't take no shit. It's wigs I split. I stay legit, and I'll never quit. It's fire I spit when I'm murdering these rhymes. Time after time, it must be a crime. Living this life feels like a felony, so I sit back and throw on a melody to ease my brain so I don't go insane. I just might tie you up and throw you in front of a train and knock down your house with a crane. I'm necessary evil like Bane. I say hi out to Mary Jane. I'm realistic when I spit shit. I'm pretty quick to slit your Kool-Aid pack and smack you with like 50 stacks. I ride around packing a Mac. Don't get in my way while I put my demons at bay. Cause it's you I will slay, and I'll leave you dead bodies to rot and decay. I'm a hot spitter, never a quitter. So let that sink in while I down this liter of gin and commit many more sins.